iOS 15 is packed with new features that iPhone users will love. And today, we will show new features of iOS 15. Let's start with FaceTime. FaceTime now features portrait mode for video calls. So now, the focus is on you and not what's behind you. Another exciting thing about FaceTime is the FaceTime link. Through this, your friends and family can now connect on FaceTime even if they are using Android or Windows. And this link can also be opened through a web browser. Next is Safari. Safari now has a new redesigned look. Controls are now at the bottom of the screen, making it easier for you to navigate it with one hand. You can also easily switch tabs by swiping left or right. Tabs are now in grid view, making it easier to view the tabs and close it. You can also organize tabs by grouping it in the way that works best for you. These tab groups sync across devices so you have access to it from anywhere. Next is Live Text. With Live Text, you can now copy a text from a photo. To do this, open your camera app and point your camera to a text. A Live Text button will appear at the bottom of the screen. From here, we can now select, copy, and translate a text. This feature is also applicable to handwritten notes and photos from Safari. Lastly is the new redesigned notifications. The old notification is still there, but the new notification summary is added to cut down apps that has a lot of notifications without turning them off. By default, you'll receive a summarized notification twice, and you can choose which applications will be included in the summary. Doing this will help you focus more and look onto notifications that matter.